Alright folks, I want your opinion about this. First, watch out for the ball joints. But it's raining out here. It's been raining out for a while. We got the city going the wrong way on a one-way street, just to show you. The one-way street. So that was one thing. And another thing is, this is Uncle Leo's house over there. And I gave him something, and he told me that he loved it. And look, it's that lawnmower over there. Self-propelling, fucking blase blah. And he leaves it out in the rain like that. Well, I went and said something to him, and he told me it don't work. So I'm gonna go over there and steal that, probably. The thing's mint. That's gonna be my next find. Uncle Leo, right out of Uncle Leo's yard. Son of a bitch. Hi, Anna. Well, okay, it stopped raining, so let's go check out the situation. Make sure nobody's looking. Alright, come on. Watch the ball joints. Oh, good dackle. There she is. Shh. Someone peeking? Someone peeking? I'm not gonna say nothing. Someone peeking up in Anna's window? Nope. Alright, coast is clear, so I'm gonna run this next door. Friggin. Okay, what I took was the Toro guaranteed to start 6.5 engine recycler with the 22-inch front drive. I'm going to take this carburetor apart and clean it out, and then we'll see if we can get this going. Look, it's got the quick wash attachment. Freaking right. So I'm going to clean this up. We'll see what's going on. I heard he threw it across the yard. I gave this to him last year. Son of a bitch. Plug and some gas. Looks like she works. Can't go wrong with that, frigasack. Oops, sorry, you can't see me. Can't go wrong with that, frigasack. So Uncle Leo, up your nose, you sons of bitches. Anybody want to buy a lawnmower? Comment, like, subscribe. Check out the links below. And give you Dizzy a free shit.
Well, good morning. We're gonna go see what you Dizzy's up to. I can see him right now. Once again, a lawnmower. It's like he's clean and detailing. So if anybody needs your lawnmower detailed, you Dizzy, 1969. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Told ya. It's a nice lawnmower. Oh, we got a bum shot.
Yeah, I ain't even got one. So this is gonna be a Father's Day gift. So you Dizzy works like that. I get them free, I give them free.
Not bad, not bad.
So freaking right, this is going to my niece's husband for Father's Day. That little son's a bitch. Alright, I just got to use that towel. Maid, give me your shirt. Oh, thanks. Your shirt. Use your shirt on this. Clean this up.
Good job.
Thanks. So she fires up again. Yeah, one go. What are you doing?
I just text Daddy.
Oh, you're picking your teeth? I'm gonna show everybody where the lawnmower is now. Look, it's at home. Whoop. It's at home now. Oh, isn't that pretty? Friggin' sack. From one home to another. Okay, so now that I dropped that off, I went down the road and I found this one. That's going into the scrap pile. It's all beat up. But I'll take the tank off. Maybe the carburetor. A Craftsman. Who knows? I bet you I could get it running. Friggin' sack. Well, that was a fun-filled day. I managed to steal Uncle Leo's lawnmower back that I gave him last year because I seen him throw it across the yard, and then he left it out in the rain. So, friggin' sack, we ain't having that. I took it over here this morning, and I gave it a little tune-up. I cleaned out the gas tank. He put too much fuel stabilizer in it, which is probably no good for the lawnmower. And that's all it was, and it fires up first time every time now. So I gave it to my niece's husband for Father's Day. So I washed it up and cleaned it up nice and dropped it off there. And then when I left there, I found a lawnmower beside the dumpster, a Craftsman's lawnmower. So that's pretty cool too. You know, that was an eventful day today. So I don't know if I'm going to mess with it or just throw it in a scrap pile, but it's all metal. The metal deck, metal motor, metal handle, everything's metal on it. So, and it did have compression. I just didn't mess with it, so maybe I'll mess with it some other time. So thanks for watching again, and comment, like, subscribe, and always you know, get you Dizzy swag, because that shit's hardcore. Peace.